This is the third game, and it measures working memory. It is based on complex span working memory test. In this game, you need to memorize the sentences sequentially. The game will start with the statement checking problem as you see on the screen, and after you're done with checking problem, a sentence will be shown. The pattern of statement checking and the showing of sentence will continue until every sentences in the trial has been shown. The statement checking is our implementation on the equation correctness checking of complex span working memory test. Whereas the sentences that we have to remember in the game is our implementation on the item that you have to remember in the original test. This game also has training mode as indicated by this button over here. In this training mode, there is one trial with two sentences. In the real measurement, you will have three trials. The first trial will have two sentences, the second trial will have three, and the last one will have four sentences. If you are confident and you already understand on how to play the game, you can click this button to start the measurement on working memory immediately. Okay, so let me demonstrate on how to play the game. First, we have to check whether the sentence inside this white box over here is correct or not, according to the condition of the arrangement of the items like hammer, plier, and wrench over here. So the sentence said that the plier should be 1 at row 3. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. And the sentence said that there is one plier at row 3. This is our row 3, and the plier is indeed only one here. So because our sentence is actually correct, we have to press this button, the correct button. Otherwise, if the sentence is not correct, we have to press this incorrect button. So let's click this button. Okay, this is our first sentence that we have to remember. Next, we have to get our second. So let's see, the statement said that wrench should be 2 at row 2. And this is our row 2, and the wrench is indeed only indeed there are two wrenches here. And actually we have to click this correct button, but what happens if we click the wrong button, such as incorrect button here? If you click the incorrect button, a warning will be shown that said that our answer is wrong, and we will go back into statement checking problem. This process, the showing of the warning and then go back to the statement checking, will be repeated 3 times if we still answer incorrectly. The fourth time that we make a mistake, a sentence will be shown. This is done deliberately so that player do not get stuck in this statement checking problem forever. Alright, so let us get our second sentence. This new statement, it said that plier should be 2 at row 1, and it is indeed 2 here, so we click the correct button. Okay, so this is our second sentence. Alright, so whenever all the sentences in the trial has been shown, this interface will be shown on the screen. What you need to do in this interface is to click the button, to click the buttons that are according to the sentences and the order. So let's say that our first sentence is this sentence here, dry the newly painted table, and then our second sentence is check the lubricant. What you need to do is to click this button here first, because the sentence dry the new painted table is shown the first. Okay, and then there is a small number here that indicates the sequence or the sequence number or the order of the shown, and then click the second sentence, which is check the lubricant. Alright, and then there is also number 2, which indicate the order of the sentence. This means that the first sentence is the dry the newly painted table. The second one is check the lubricant. Then, if we confident with our answer, we can press submit to immediately finish our current trial. However, if you are not confident or if you feel that something is wrong with your answer, let's say that this is actually the first sentence, and it is still this sentence is still the second. What you need to do is to press the reset button to reset the answer, and then after that you repeat the process. You click this, because this is our new first sentence, and then we click this because this is our second sentence. After that we press submit. Okay, so the trial mode, the training mode has been ended. If you want to continue practicing, you can press this button here, reset training.